Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 23rd of February 2023. We're just approaching at midday here in Europe. Looking ahead to crypto markets for today then, where are we at? What's the state of play is the question. And we've seen some relative moves up on Ethereum. It's probably been the stronger of the cryptos we look at on the day so far. You can see here how we opened the day down at around 1600-ish, trading at 1665 now, so made some decent-ish gains on the day, and heading back towards that all-important 1700 handle, which has been very, very sticky as of late. In fact, we should know by now that we're really gearing up for either a big breakout on these markets where you get some huge moves, some really volatile moves. I'll be a buyer above the 17, above the 25,000 level on BTC as well. But it's just a case of getting that break, because if we don't, and BTC, for example, continues to threaten to the downside, like yesterday we saw a threat to the downside, held just above on the daily close though. And today you can see some of them earlier gains have been faded back lower. And it's basically a case of now holding on to the 24, probably down at 23,500. I think if we do break that on the daily, this particular area here, so 23,500, downside break daily, I think you could see a move lower, and I think we could see moves down into 21,850. So I'll be a seller below this level, down to 21,850. Buyer definitely above the 25,000 level, especially on the daily closes is what I'm looking for though. Litecoin